What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Scott Barnes here with Mr. Handpay. Yes, the GOAT at Foxwoods Resort Casino. I think he's buying in for about 20K, which he usually does. I could be wrong, but let's hop into it. That being said, go over to Mr. Handpay's channel, give him a like, subscribe. This is a new one, just dropped about a day ago, so I always like to give him about 24 hours or 2 days. But this one just came in. I'm really pumped, really stoked. I love new content, so let's hop into it, guys. Love you, and let's have some fun.
Everyone, another high limit session. Blackjack here, Foxwoods Casino. $20,000 buy-in, $10,000 in the pumpkin orange $1,000 chips, $8,000 in the purple $500.
I had a sneeze attack there. Huge sneeze attack.
$1,900 in the black $100 chips, and $100 for the side betting red $500 or $5 chips. So we can play up to 3 hands. You can't play 5 hands here, right? 6? No. You can play 3 hands. Soft 17 game. We can surrender. We can ask for a courtesy shuffle. Let's do that, please. Courtesy shuffle, please.
While they were doing a courtesy shuffle.
From the last one, we ended it early. What else?
Do you guys hear that audio? He has a software audio where he's getting out the music in the background because I can hear his track being isolated.
We're gonna shuffle this right back. I can't show that to you. All right, let's see what the burn card is. Uh-oh, I wanted that. All right, $500.
Yeah, I can hear it cut out. That's nice. I love that we don't have to hear the background music. All right, guys, $500. We're doing one hand straight off the bat. We've got a 15 against a 10.
Testing the waters.
Now, Mr. Handpay has been doing really well lately on the blackjack tables.
Hit her 10.
16. And a bust. Okay.
Busted.
Yeah, Mr. Handpay has been doing a really good job. Last session we watched, I think he went up from 20 to another 30 grand, within 20 minutes. It was great session.
You end up winning some back, so probably an average of 100 to 150 bucks. But
Mr. Handpay's got a 11. Let's double that down against the 10, which is
So
always
we're gonna
interesting
double the
against the
11.
10, but we never know. 13.
7.
Oh my God, 10. We need a 10. We need a 10.
Loser.
Now, I want to clear something up while they are dealing the cards. Yes, I think Mr. Handpay
really nice
counts
with the
cards,
shorts.
but no, he doesn't. And I know he doesn't count cards. You guys, you got to
Straight again.
you got to understand the comedy of this.
Okay.
8, 9, 10. Don't
Throw in
you
the
dare.
towel.
14.
No,
Okay.
not today.
You guys, you ever see Mr. Handpay going, oh, I know what the next card is. I can see it under there.
Again,
Like, come on, you guys.
1,100,
Mr. Handpay, maybe he knows how to count a little bit, but he doesn't play that hard. They would be backing him off all the time. So I just want to make that clear. It's more of a joke.
No insurance.
Follow along.
Very, very lucky. That's
17.
why we like soft
Gotta
17.
stand. Nice.
Let's go again. 1,100.
All right, we're pressing a little bit.
We're gonna stay.
We got a 6 against a 14, 17.
And it hurt us that time.
Now, if you guys are just getting
1,100
into
again.
blackjack, best thing to do is just watch thousands of hands. My counting has got a lot better as the cards come
19,
out.
Don't do an 8 or 9.
18.
1,100 again. Gonna hit it. 13, 19. Don't have it. Don't have it. Don't.
12, 14,
21.
21. Ugh.
Keep it the same. 1,100 again.
So we're right about even. Oh, we are exactly even. You got to thank Mr. Handpay for putting up some
25.
graphics for us.
10. I'm sorry. 10. No, thank you. Don't be red. Don't be red. Don't be red. Oh, red. $500.
Now, this is a short session, so yeah, just wanted to let you guys know.
should have surrendered, and we would have gotten the 10 right now.
Now, that is an advantage of surrendering. You don't have to play the hand through, and you get the next card. You don't have to bust it out or lose the hand. You just split it.
All right, it happens like this. So we're going to try to switch it up a little bit.
All right, 3 hands. Let me see. I want to make sure the video doesn't get in the way, so if it does, I'll move it down. Let's see. We can still see it, right? Yeah, we're good. All right, 20.
All right, we're going to double our 10. We're going to stay
10
in the
against a
next
5.
Boop, boop.
17, 20. We get 15.
Don't do it.
And 20. Nice. What do we got?
Took her 6.
Nice. And 16, 17, 20.
Single hand, $1,000.
I love the fact that he isolated that audio.
You know me, and I love action. We got $1,000 out there. We're going to split it against the 5. 2 fingers. Show them the 2 fingers. And then I want to show them the
Ooh,
one
a double.
finger
We
for
got
a
some
double.
great action right here. We got 7 and 4 of
And then
11.
I'm going to do this thing right here with
6,
a single finger. Just move
16.
your fingers.
Good times right here.
All right.
Was that 13?
17. We lost one, and we got... we lost it all.
Man.
$3,000 loss. Finger trick didn't work.
It's because you guys didn't do it. I know it's because you guys didn't do it.
1,500. Single hand.
Here we go. We got some more action. Let's go. I know Mr. Handpay loves
More
it.
action. 1,500. We are going to split this hand.
Oh, that music. Here we go. Double.
Double. Stay.
6, 9, 17.
okay.
All right, we got a push and
Dang it! Just kidding. $3,000 win. Dita freaked out. I like it.
all right. That's a big swing.
Thank you,
Needed that for sure.
Foxwoods. Amazing.
That's a win-win-win all day. Now I'm questioning if he isolated his music or
And
they
here
didn't have any
Foxwoods.
music playing. Music,
I've
I
got
meant.
it just outside. So what you can do is you can say that you don't like that hand and you didn't mean
All right,
to
let's
bet
get
it
an
because it was
8.
like out
6,
a
7,
little
8, straight to 21.
bit. Just kidding. I hit it.
6, 7, 8, straight to 21. Oh, okay.
Don't do it.
Let's get it. 19, 14.
The
Bust.
winner. Yeah, that's fine. Amazing.
I've been using my ad. I know it sounds weird, but like there's certain numbers for me, like obviously 8 and 8 plus 16. 7 and 7 is 14, and all I'm doing is
All right,
like within my head
1,500.
because I have certain ways of thinking, like everyone else does, has their own mathematical way of doing it. I just
stay.
subtract and add
Tough hand to
from
win.
the numbers that come out.
21.
Because like right 5 and 9, it's 14, and like my brain just doesn't
1,700 on a
work like
single
everyone
hand.
else's, I guess. My math is not strong, but if I come up with a system, it helps and it works.
Doubling chips are already here. Oh,
10,
don't do
5,
it.
5,
Don't do
5,
it. You sort of did
19.
it. Gonna get real low. Oh, loser.
That was a big hand.
Can't win them all. I didn't plan on getting tilty here, but it makes sense. 2,500. Foxwoods Resort and Casino. Just one.
18, 10. Oh my gosh, can't win. How many? I think he's won one double.
Time, Dita.
No way. What is he doing?
Here we go. This is a
What
big
is he
hand again. We're
doing?
gonna try.
God, this guy. He says again, he did this before.
Yeah.
He pulled it out.
Not feeling that good
How
about
funny
this
would that
one.
be if you got that? Oh God, what a no way!
No, thanks.
Don't you even? 17.
Loser.
Oh my God! What just happened? No, he doesn't.
All right, so we're going to do one hand here. Okay, this is crazy. I'm going to do one hand of blackjack. And this is what I'm up today, overall.
Oh, he did 20 grand.
Be nice. If we're done, I'm done. I'm leaving.
God, you guys, 20 grand all
One
in.
time. No.
Come on. Come on, baby.
Gave a chance, 50-50. Oh my God. You guys, what just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Mr. Handpay he started with 20. He lost it all. And then he went in for another 20 with a total of $40,000 down. I'm so depressed right now. These swings can get crazy, man. And even the best, I really consider Mr. Handpay one of the best, if not the best. You still can go on tilt and you can just give it your all. And not everyone is lucky all the time. Wow, I am speechless. I really have no words right now. I'm going to leave you guys with your thoughts because that was just insane. All right, guys, go over to Mr. Handpay, give him a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.